How to use your free hit chip in FPL. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can use a free hit chip in FPL. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to launch the FPL application in your mobile device and make sure that you're signing into your account. Now before we start the tutorial, we will understand what is free hit chip. So it allows the unlimited transfer for one game week only. Then your team reverts back to its original squad after the game week. And you could only use the free hit chip once per season, and you cannot use in same game week as a wildcard, bench boost or triple captain. So after you know about the free hit chip, now let's see how you can use it. Once you open up the FPL, make sure that you're signed in. Tap on the fantasy option from the menu bar at the bottom of the interface. Once you're under the fantasy, tap and transfer below the pick team option. That's gonna take you to this piece here. There you have to make the changes that you want for that game week. So you could make changes on this interface. Once you're done with that, if you navigate at the top right, there is an option for, as that says, free hit. You'll see the small sheep like icon. Currently it is unavailable in my account, but if that's available, you have to tap on it, and once you're satisfied with your team, tap on confirm transfer. Then your new team will play for the current game week. So that's it. That's how you can use a free hit chip in FPL, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.